The two machines have the same function. We are the leather box used to make that book box. This kind of whole piece. We call it a leather shell. The book-shaped box has a leather shell, and the folding box also has a leather shell, and some of that hardcover. And there is also a leather case. It has a square and rectangular structure. We use this machine to make it. We put the face paper here, right? It automatically sucks in the paper and feeds it. The thick cardboard is placed here. Now it has been pasted on the outside surface. It's also done on this machine. Now it is pasted on the inner lining. The process is the same. It's the same as wrapping the outside. This one just doesn't need to be wrapped. This machine can automatically wrap the edge and then automatically stick the lining. Now he is doing this step. Then you can see our craftsmanship. This is a machine that is concave like a house. A plate is made on the machine's convex part, and then a board is made on the machine raised plate to give the logo a relief effect. After the surface paper and the gray board are bonded, it will go through a roller like this. Then the glue on the surface paper and the gray board completely to prevent bubbling. What we just did is this step to stick the inner liner paper, right? So it's completely flat, without any bubbling. And the last step is to put the book-shaped box, and the automatic assembly machine will attach the inner box. So it's basically formed. It's a book-shaped box